Hi guys, my name's Quintin, and today we're going to be talking about how to create an account on Onshape and access the Learning Center. First off, what we're going to do is we're going to click Sign In, and we're going to want to sign up for a new account. So for educators, we're going to click the Education account, and depending on if you're a student or educator, we'll just do an educator for now. And so for education, it is free. So what we're going to do is we're going to get started. You're going to fill out this. So you're going to put your name, your email address, if you're a student or an educator, what schools you teach, and you're going to select the box. So what you're going to do next is you're going to put in your school name, your school website, the city and state you're located in, the country, and then what's your position, your phone number, and what do you teach. And once you go through all of this and select all the boxes, you'll have to activate your email, so you'll get an email and a code, and you'll have to activate your email. Since I already have an account, I'm going to go ahead and log in. So once you go to sign into Onshape, this will be your dashboard. As you can see, I have various other projects. What we're going to go is we're going to go up to the upper right hand corner and click Learning Center. And this Learning Center is very useful. You learn from basic sketching all the way up to complex assemblies. So what you want to do is you're going to go to self-paced courses, and we're just going to view all of them at first. So what you all want to start out with is Onshape fundamentals, so the basic sketching, drawings, things like that. So this will be your first one. You'll go through, it'll teach you how to do a sketch, various different things. There's different videos. They'll go step by step, and they're very helpful. So if you're new to CAD, this is a great way to start learning. You also learn, I would suggest to go to assemblies next, which a lot of your robot will actually be in an assembly. So that's how you access, create an Onshape account and access the Learning Center. So what we're going to do next is I'm going to show you all how to actually build a chassis kit in Onshape. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the upper left hand corner and hit create a new document. We'll name it called RDL Chassis. So this is your work plane. So what you can do is you can design it by part by measuring out with a dial caliper the size of your channel. And if you want to do that, or what I like to do is if you go to Builder's website, go to Structure, Channel, the 1120 series, and you're going to select the size you have. So I'm just going to select the 11 hole to start out with. And if you scroll down, you'll actually see there's a step file, and that step file is a CAD file. So what it does, it'll be a zip file, and what you need to do is you need to extract the file at first. So when you extract the file, so this will be the file we'll be using. So we'll go back to the chassis kit, and at the bottom, we're going to select Import New Element, and we're going to open up the folder we have. So we're going to select the step file, and that step file will be imported into your CAD. So once your part gets uploaded, as you can see, we're going to change the appearance. So we're going to right click on the part, and we're going to click Edit Appearance. And we'll give it more of a metallic look for aluminum. And in order to do this, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to create an assembly. So to start out with, let's click, we're going to import 2 of these. And so these are going to be the sides. And then the next thing we need to do is we need to get the other size. So the other one I'm using is a 17 hole. So we're going to go back to Channels, the 1120 series, and we're going to find the 17 hole. We're going to download the step file again, open the file, extract, and then we're going to import it. So while it's import, I'm going to show you what I like to do to keep my document organized. I like to rename it. So I'm going to name this the 11 hole U channel. And then for the next one, I'm going to rename it to the 17 hole U channel. So now what we're going to do is we're going to import this into our assembly. We're going to import 2 of them, just like this. So now that you have the main components of your CAD file, we're going to move these to where we want them to. So we want the longer ones on the side, and these two are going to be up front. So at first, we are going to drag this up here, and then we're going to rotate it 90 degrees. Same thing with this one. This one is also going to be rotated 90 degrees, and we'll drag it down towards the bottom. So now that we have these rotated the way we want them, we're going to use the fasten mate. So the fasten mate allows everything to stay together, and so when you move one object, it will move them all instead of just the one object itself. So we're going to click the corners where we want them mated, just like that. And then we're going to do the same thing to the next two. So once we have the back piece, like this, we'll mount those together. And now we have our frame. As you can see, since we used the mate, we can move the whole thing around instead of just the one part. So that's how you import CAD files into Onshape and create an assembly. What I would do next is maybe import motors, import some wheels, the connectors, import everything you need that you use to create your chassis kit, and have a full built robot. And that's it for this video.